Welcome back to another exciting episode of the Blue Heart podcast, where we have meaningful conversations, very important conversations. Tingxoxiswano ke letimcoka kakhulu, letinye siyadibona emakhaya, letinye uyakhanza ukuthi sima victims ato, letinye ke ukhanza ukuthi uyabona kamakhelwane kuyendeka. It's good to have you back, and if you are joining in for the first time, greetings and welcome. It's good to have you, and ngiyathemba ukuthi sitawuhlala ke sixoxisane, invite other people as well. I am your host today, Libito lami ngingivamisile ngwakaSimelane Sibongo, intombi ke yaseBheneza. I'm sure umbukeli uyatibuta ukuthi awuvamisile ukukhuluma kangaka, lala hamba nabo ngabe bobani. Ase ngibanike ke lithuba bake bakuvusele batichaze ukuthi bona babobani.
Oh, ladies first. Ladies first.
Ngiyabingelela nami kubo babukeli be The Blue Heart podcast. Ligama lami ngingugu ngwakamavimbela. Ngilomunye ke wabosonhlala kahle labakhona eGanatic. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Cha siyabonga. Nami angithathe lithuba ngivusile ababukeli labathamela kona The Blue Heart podcast. Nginguye yithokozani wakaDube. Labangijwayela bangibiza ngamagazi Torres. Ngiyajabula ngosami ukuba special guest namhlanje kule podcast.
Hey, uyathanza kubonga Dube. Siyabonga Dube. Siyabonga. Thank you so much. In today's episode, we will be discussing a very, very pertinent. Hey, umbukeli tangicolela vele lamagama abo significance, nabo pertinent. Nabo imperative. Ngmathanze kabi vele. We're going to be discussing indzaba ke substance abuse. We have heard reports. Nathi ke you are counselors. Njengoba sekashito gugu ke ukuthi ungisonhlala kahle bayakhansela bayabona kuningi labakubonile. In today's episode ke sitawubuka nje the myths we have around substance abuse, the hidden truths, because kune myth angithi kune hidden truth, kunendvo leniyadika ukuthi hayi kunje kunabo addiction kwekuthi mental health nema substance abuse ilihamba njani ilinke niyakubona. And then I want umbukeli wethu lapha we Blue Heart podcast to grab your favorite tea, your favorite coffee, and join us in having this conversation. Asasihlatiye Thokozani. Nasikhulumisa nje indzaba
Ladies first. Ladies first.
Asasihlatiye Thokozani. Kusasibuta nje sibuka atibukela nje umbukeli ukuthi kepha nasikhulumisa substance abuse. What really are we talking about? Because angifuni lokho assume ukuthi hayi siyathi alcohol, drugs uyabo. Sesike sesihlatiye ukuthi nasithi substance abuse. What comes to mind? What really are we talking about? Nasithi there are high numbers of people labaku substance abuse. Kahle basho kuthini?
Yabona ngichazela igama lokuthi the high number of people that are abusing ama-drugs. Noma ngathi uyabuka wena vami vele umhlaba wonke vele, you know, it's a pandemic ngokuya ngami vele yabo, nalokuthi vele we should declare it and make it a national pandemic, more especially la Africa, and you know, bring it closer to la eSwazini yakubona abantu basebenzisa ama-drugs. But then leligama ukhelethe substance abuse ngicabanga ukuthi mina singise kakhulu yakubona. But mina ngokubuka kwami, maybe just to break it down, mina nalokuthi you know, substance abuse is using something lokuthi wayifaka nje emzimbeni wakho, noma once you use it, it changes the way you see things, you know, it changes the way you behave, it changes the way lo interacta ngayo labantu yakubona. Because mangabe ungumuntu nje unormal ungafaka ama substances, uyakhona ukuperforma kahle, uyakhona ukucabanga kahle, uyakhona ukuthi ube ngumuntu lo umake ama sound decisions. But once wafaka into lena substance, into le illegal emzimbeni wakho, it's either you inject it, it's either you smoke it, vele it changes the way you see things, it changes the way you perceive izinto yakubona. So lengakusho navami vele indaba ye substance abuse, I feel like it's something lengakhulunyiswa kakhulu yakubona. Into nje lesibuka le ekhashana ukuthi okay, hakunesidakamizwa, kunotshwala, kunogwayi yakubona. Enyalo we are now prioritizing our mental health but forgetting about indaba yani substance abuse.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are mentioning illegal.
Yeah.
I want to assume ukuthi if kunenigama lekuthiwa illegal,
Yeah.
ukhona phela na legal.
Yeah.
What do you think Gugu ukuthi illegal na legal? Lo shothi kukhona lawa la legal.
Lakahle.
Yebo. What do you think about those?
Yes, ngiyabonga Vami. Vele substance abuse is one of the critical issues
Yeah.
lesibhekene nawo and lese overlookeke esikhathini eside.
Yeah.
Nala as you've mentioned ukuthi kukhona nema myths around it lengathi iphinde ya introduceka as into letakuhlakaniphisa
Yeah.
ukuthi vele na ungakwendi ungathi awusathathathisi kahle kuze na ube selayinini. So umbuto wakho ke kunaloko ukuthi ke Vami uthi then
Legal. Let's
Legal.
talk about the legal and illegal drugs. Yes.
Masifika ke kulo legal nalo illegal kuba khona lesikhathi khona uprescribed
Yeah.
uya esibhedlela ukhandakale ukuthi kunesimo lekufuna silungiseke emtimbeni wakho so ube prescribed kuma drugs lekumele alungise leso simo uyakubona lokho ephinde futhi kube khona lesikhathi mine ngitoti hambela ngiyoti funele ama drugs lapho akusekho prescription sengitikalela mina lokho ukuthi uyabo lento le ngidiva ngathi ngiyifuna kangaka ngiyifuna futhi kusukela ekseni kuze kube kunini akusekho ke prescription lapho but sengilawulwa ngimtimba wami kulokunye ngalokuthi lento sengiyisebenzisile ngagcina sengikujwayela angisakhona ukuphila phandle kwakho uyakubona lo lokunye kungacala as a prescription but ngitikhande mina sengitendela out of a prescription phinde futhi kungendeka ukuthi kuvumelekile ngibekise nje laveni kithi kangwani ngibekise nganasi isihlahla ukuthi
ngani
isihlahla
isihlahla yes
yini igama leli qondile laso
insangu nje straight
insangu
ngiyathanda igama isihlahla
insangu ngokuthi siyeva kulamanye amave ukuthi ivumelekile illegal kulelo livelelo ukuthi cha noma singahlangana nawe uyithengisa estradini kuvumelekile khona ke kusho ukuthi illegal then lakithi akukavumeleki neqhisa nedibana nawe usiphethele isihlahla uba senkingeni yemthetho that is illegal lakithi uyakubona lo and ke ukhande ukuthi vele siyayisebenzisa insangu angeke sicambe mangathi siyayisebenzisa kakhulu futhi siyayilima kakhulu angeke nami ngikhombe ukuthi izibali cha angifake ekhathi nami kulona ku-illegal ke lokho ke uyakubona mama so ukhona lo mehluko lokuhlukanisa lo legal na illegal bese sekuhlukana ngale context yokuthi ngikuphi
lokho nje ukhuluma I am thinking ngeke ngabona nje kubo social media uyabona nje kuthume kulamalanga nje kuthume igrandpa uyabona angifuna sesiyichaze lenzaba ukuthi yabona igrandpa it's legal but I get addicted but khona umuntu lothi yena so wahlala anale sachet kuku yabona sachet angithi baba bo 10 lakhathi khazo uthi lapha endlini yakhe unemabhokisi and lokho ukhanze angathi lokuthi asenichazela umbukelo because igrandpa le ngengeva ngawo ngabona etinkundleni tekuxhumana ukhanze so addicted to grandpa angathi lokho ukuthi it's legal but you addicted to that asenichazele nje because nanikhuluma lama illegal that how ngani grandpa it's legal and there's nothing wrong with using grandpa uyakbo so I want you asengibuyele kugo just take us through kuloko ukuthi okay it's legal but kuhamba kanje with asengibekisele nje igrandpa because most people bayisebenzisa igrandpa and it's legal without umuntu how it's just for headache yabo yes can you just take us through kulenza ba igrandpa
okay ngiyabonga Vami ngiyo le grandpa nato tonke letinye lesithi thine nje into lo tati ingenela uyabona uthengele kude nalo takubuta ukuthi hawu wena so uyithenga uyakubona but la kufike bese kuba inkinga khona Vami ngilokuthi sengi-dependent
okay
lokho sekusikhulumisa le addiction lokho ukuthi awusaphili phandle kwayo uyabona kusekuseni sewuthi iphakethe lakho hasha uyabona lokho emini ezifu ngathi sekudla liphalishe ekseni emini ntambama uyabona lokho but kuba khona lesikhathi lapho khona kuthiwa cha asawuthathe nawuye esibhedlela uyothola usizo bathi thatha namaphilisi nawo utowathatha emalanga langa uwathathe kangaka ngelanga uyakubona lo but wena nangabe inyanga yonke sokuphila ngakho sekukhulumisa lokunye lo sekukhulumisa even i-mental health yakho leyona sithi sihambisa phambili uyabona sewu-dependent kulento lekusho ukuthi u-addicted manje masingakuyekisa nje ilanga linye
ngeke
ufuna nekufa utawujula kube manje uthi ndena uphathwe inhloko ungakhona ukukhuluma lokho ke sekukhulumisa lobungodi ke losotifake kubo ngoba phela akusasiyo into yebo illegal ungaya noma kungikuphi kusiphi chemist kusiphi isitolo uyithole but indlela losuyisebenzisa ngayo ke seyithini
mbukeli don't forget to like, to share, and to make sure we are subscriber phela and hit that notification bell so that i-Blue Heart Podcast na poster you are the first one ukuva ukuthi ngabe lamhlaba silethele ini usilethele ini infombi yaseBheneza Dube ubeka indzaba la yokuthi man angifuni ukuthi silahleke kakhulu because ngidawusuke ngithi hayi ngihlelela naye mina ngiyathi ukuthi ngiyabhekisa Dube ubemiswa yini so ngifuna sibuke nje kabanti ukuthi what really are the reasons people use drugs ngike ngabuka nje kuseni ngibuka lapha ka TikTok bengibuka nje uthi lo munye umbhali bantu they use drugs but thine sibona lemiphumela uyabo esikhathi sibona lemiphumela but we are not sibona nje sekuthiwa hey Vamsile is a drug addict but we are not looking at the njengoba sisho ke mbukeli there are root causes of gender based violence there are root causes of teenage pregnancy but also with substance abuse nakhona kunama root causes akhona ukuthi lo muntu uthi khanza nje so wenda ema drugs what really is the problem what could you say Thokozani ukuthi yini kahle leti zathu ukuthi ngingadikhanza nje senginatha bo grandpa mhlambe sengiyothenga lapha entsambama
cha ngokubuka kwami na lama reasons maningi kakhulu angeke sesiwaqede uyabona and also kulama reasons I think inkinga yethu thina sibuka the negative part kanti there's also the positive part yabo ukuthi umunye umuntu uyakhona ukungena kulama drugs noma abe addicted in a positive way but lo munye umuntu aphinda ngene in a negative way but sesikubonile vele abantu abanengi bangena in a negative way yakubona and ukwazi ukuthi umuntu not necessarily ukuthi sengikhuluma my story or what yakubona sometimes I feel like ku depend ngale environment lo hlala yakubona ngiyabekisa nje thina nje silanhlangano mangabe vele ukhulela esikomo yabo esikomo vele kunabobhuti bakho kunabomalume mabavuka vele ekseni bayafasa bayabhema yabo nawuba nayo le curiosity ukuthi hayibo kunjani yini abayibhema yakubona so lawo lento uyayibona bese kuba nalento bathi social learning yakubona uyayifunda lento uyabona ukuthi okay uya socialize okay la khaya vele kuphilwa kaso yakubona nawusoba nako lokuthi okay ngivamisa ukumbona malume masekabhemile uba kaso singagcili kakhulu kulama drugs angibuye nje kunaka ama energy drinks ngiyabekisa yabona because nawo addictive nawo ana substance la moshela ubona umalume wakho njalo ekseni unathi energy drink nawuba nako lokuthi hawu engabe kuna energy drink kunani yabona so also I feel like the curiosity yabona it contributes significantly vele kule uthi umuntu agcine vele seka addicted umuntu agcine vele seka sebenzisa ama drugs and also since the podcast lena because it maybe si target youth yakho I think also I peer pressure
definitely
yasifaka sandla kakhulu ngumfana mina ngesigela kanti mebinsuka le makhaya sengenyuvesi mangifika le nyuvesi sengikhaze abantu
hlangana nabo Dube
sokubekiswa ngani ngihlala nabo gugu nabo bogugu hlala bogugu vele basuka le bombabani uyabona baphila soft life baphila vele impilo yasemafilmini uyabona na usuyafuna ukuthi bakuyo ngabogugu hayibuya wena kuyaphileka lana kunabungozi
and you want to fit in
yakbo peer pressure hayibuya wena nali liphilisi haya sibhema ijoint asibangene esigele asibangene eclassini yakubona so uyafuna ukubhema nawo kanjalo nje so uyangena hala kasha kanjalo that's why I'm saying ukuthi lama reasons manje ngize ngicela ukushare nangomlingane hey ngaze ngaqeda
umshiyela
kuqiniso dinenge letizathu ngiyabuka nje ukuthi kulomunye ungena ahahwe ukuthi lo muntu lo sebenzisa lento umbona ngathi uphila impilo
soft
lengilo lehawukele
kazi
aze lo munye abekise ngekuphasa kwakhe ngisho kuyobhala itest ukuthi kufuna ngithi ngiphasiswa ngiloko ungene wena kani angeke kukhambele kufanana naye uyabona lo kunengi lama addictions etinto letiningi njengoba sabalile dube boma energy drink nani na maningi lama addictions mina nje ngingilenye addict ngosiyami ungababati kakhulu dube ungababati kakhulu mina nje likhofi ngosiyami nanoma ngalilanga lilatulu liyashisa likhofi angibone lo munye uyakubona ukuthi hayi ngathi hayi ngiyo impilo ke lena likhofi ngazuthi kusilungwanyana uyakubona size sibite cappuccino uyabona tonke leti ngazuthi vele but ke at the end of the day lekufuna bese sesiyakubuka siyakunaka ngokuthi lemithelela lemiphumela kwakona ke lokuthi ngifike njani kuko njengobuke wabhekisa lokuthi dinenge letizathu ubalile dube lana bo positive influence nabo negative dinenge letizathu lese kusibeka ke ekuthaneni vele lelivangeli kumele selishumayele
kakhulu
kumele silishumayele ngoba siyayisithina sithi drug noma substance abuse kube ngazuthi kukhona lo lokubekiwe nazatshwala
ubhemisa
kwendani dinenge letinto leti khona lapho
maybe ukungedela okusho mkhulu lezi sikubonile ona vami sisima professionals yabona you know lama cases lawa sidibana nawo
true.
And also I think one of the things that causes ukuthi umuntu agcine angene kuma substances because umuntu uthola ukuthi umuntu is a survivor or she's a survivor of gender based violence
ngisafuna ke lapho excellent
yabo because uthi umuntu uhlukumezekile ekhaya
yabo
noma mina nginjena nje ngihlala namakwaliye uyakubona mangifika endlini makwaliye uyathetha uyangithethisa uyangishaya yakubona sikumbala yo lana kuze ngiqedele stress angiphume nje ngishaya umoya nginathi yabo naloko it contributes yabo noma ukhanza ukuthi ngiyabekisa siyaspana lana yabo entule ukuthi espanini I'm not performing well
okay
umphathi wami LSW uyangithethisa day in day out progress manager uyathetha yakubona lento bese iyangidla mina ethi yabona yini inkingi so like angiphume ngihlala phandle namajita angincenge nayo one noma nangishincenge nayithunyana yabona eloko ngiya that contribute khanze ukuthi yabona I'm struggling financial yakubona
my finances
exactly I'm struggling financial so like nangu 100 rand lengisele nayo ngibathi ngiyabala ngiyabekisa ngikhula 2000 yakubona but isidingo zami zifuna 2.5 kanti mina ngina 2000 sengistressed yabo sengithi angincinte nangu 200 Nkosi yami ngiyoncinga nayibhiya lapha yakubona forgetting lokuthi noma ngakuthiwa ngiyanatha manje but mangiqeda kunatha le problem yami solinjani solimile yabo sathi ngifuna ukhipha ibhabhalazi ngale nangu sengingena deep angivale
exactly hayi qhubeka dube iqiniso
ngidlula nje
iqiniso
sekumarathon
njalo lokusho ngiyabuka ukuthi uyatika kuba ema effects abo akhona along term
yes
akhona nalawa a short term because njengoba ubala nje ukuthi lenkinga vele itabimile ngiyabuyabuyela ngithi asengiphinde ngiyokhohlwa ngiyakhohlwa 2 minutes lapho uthatha inkinga lebe yanyalo iyesikhashana ikufaka ku long term problem because so that ikhanda lento vele sekungiyona impilo yakho letinkinga tiyema yini ungetelenye tikwalele beyiveli khona because nyalo sekufuna wathi sona le mali yokuhlala ubhemile usona le mali yokuhlala unathile lento lothweni uceda ngayo tinkinga ngiyakubona.
Yeah, imadima lenzaba kakhulu. Inzaba nje substance abuse. Imadima kakhulu, and it's also one of the contributing factors to gender-based violence. I loved how you mentioned that Dube ukuthi iya contributor, and you also talked about social learning. As social scientists, I want you guys to take us through. Nganibekisela nje i-scenario, we have children nanhlabathi lapha, and then siyabhema siyanatha. Hayi ngiyabekisa Thokozani, family setup phela. Siyabekisa, we have children, and then every day mina nanhlabathi kuze ukuthi we get through the day kufuna sibhema ngithi. I want you guys, ngifuna sikhulumise the consequences and the effects kwekuthi what happens. Ngifuna sicale nje lapha, okay, naku mina naTyson i-weekend awunaku sengikhipha ligama lakhe Nkosi yami, naku sesihayi ngiyabekisa noma sesinathe etshwala, sekwendekalani niyabo, sekunala ama effects ukuthi okay nalona so high kwendekalani. Athi kutaba ngifuna singene ukuthi how it leads kule issue yabo gender-based violence, nokuthi lama substances ugcine sesifike njani ekuthenini bese sesiyashona phansi lapha athi nebantwana la khaya kunemindeni niyakubona ukuthi lendvo it's not just ukuthi yes exactly ngalo muntu yedwana, but there are children, kune family, kune community. Ngiyawabukela kakhulu ema podcast as well. Uyabona nabacoca letindzaba tabo ukuthi hey bese bakhiya ngisho ligede, bakhiyele babo elikhaya, bamkhiyele because of letin. Ngifuna sibukela ama effects sibekise nje in a family setup ukuthi kwendekalani.
Ngicela ukuyiqala mina ngicela i-tissue before ngikhuluma ngoba sengi-emotional. Okay mina hayi Jason okay mina ngathi what I've observed, I like the fact ukuthi asithathe kule family level yabona. Mina growing up ngikubonile ngizazama ukuthi kungabi ngimi, but ngizame lokhu yakubona. You know what ngivamisile mangabe time neli-oledi vele la khaya they are abusing ama drugs, but most setups ukhanza ukuthi ngulobabe vele most asengibeke kanjalo yakubona. Ninibantwana nibanako lokuthi vele ngazuthi kunormal impilo vele impilo it's a journey, it's more like of a generational thing yabo. Kanti ngazuthi kulidemon nje sengisho kanjalo yabo. So wena uyambona vele ubaba wakho uyavuka ekseni uyabhema mhlawumbe esipanini uyabuya emini noma uyashayisa nzambama uyahamba ebhareni uyabuya ntambama uphethe libhodlela uyabuya uvule ama Soul Brothers kudlala music yakubona. So le lifestyle leyo vele iyakungena vele nawe ungumntwana but no vele this is normal
normal.
To make matters worse, I like the way lokuthi lento siyayilinka vele to gender-based violence, and most of labantu who are abusing ama drugs ukancane lokuthi bangabi violent.
Definitely
kancane. Ngababona nje lapha entabeni loji bajayiva kumnanzi yabona nanini ufakafakile in but mawuthi uyafika endlini noma mawuthi uyathi behind closed doors hey mhlamba
there's a lot
thuwana lapho wena uyabona nje but lo muntu mawumbuka lapho yabo nawuba like
hey gentleman
kukahle yabona. So what I'm trying to say is lento lena novamisile vele kule family setup uyibuke ngazuthi into lekahle, and then now lo muntu ube role model yakho like you know what nami when I grow up ngifuna ukufana nelithayile yabo. Hathema vele ngiyalibona liyahamba libuye nzambama lisicocele indzaba lisiyenge lesiluthe yabona ube nako lokuthi vele kukahle lokho yabona. And even the behavior yakhe le time noma the behavior yakhe labatali nje bangu2 sebayalwa, and wena you feel like hayi no vele lento lena injani ikahle, this is the life. That's why we are connecting it to social learning as a social scientist. Ukuthi lento uyayibona le behavior ube like no le behavior lena engiyo kanti in the long run noma in the long term vele izohamba injani ukubhayizisa na ngicela ukugcina lapho
awuyilobole Gugu ubona kanjani wena?
Kuliqiniso la kusho kodube sengiyabuka nje ngibuka impilo yemntwana mostly isikhathi lesiningi vele abantwana abafundi ngento lobatsheleyo
Yes, you are right.
Ungabahlalisa phasi ubakhulumise ubabekele isithombe laba tawufunda khona ukulendlela lo tabe wenta ngayo.
Hey, ngathi uyangibona ngibhala la phasi. Ngifuna kumtshela umbukele ukuthi lesi ngeke umfana azafike athi emake you're my role model. Ngeke utawubuka le tinto lotendako wena. It's the same thing as kwekuthi angibekise nje nishadile senicabene the first thing info la yendako udubena nicabene ngokushaya ngempama naye kufuture wife yakhe
Wathi impilo kulungiswa kanjani?
yebo
Into la kayifundile kusuka kakhulu ukuthi nakuba netinkinga ekhaya tilungiswa ngethi lo mnyahlala entanyeni.
Yebo.
Naye vele uyokukhokhela kuphi phambili. Labanye abantwana sibabonile kudlalwa nje. Nawufuna kwathi impilo yelikhaya la loyo mntwana ukuthi ubuye ekhaya lenjani. Mnike badola, mnike tindoda ekudlala. Utayibona lempilo. Ngokuthi inje lempilo ngoba utawuthatha lo amcoba lo mdola. Yakubona lo. Into le kumele ngabe uyayilungisa uyigcokisa kahle. Kusho ukuthi yena learned behavior la kayibonile. Ile kuyo yokuthi kuyacocwa uyakubona lo munye futhi afunde ukuthi isubstance abuse ikahle ngoba ubone babe ekhaya nakaphilile nguye akangenwa kakhulunyiswa kuhlala thuli bathi lesekathe hayi
ngicela ngishimali
babe niyakhulumisa ngifana nje kuze anibhambade uyayibona into lenjani ufunda kwethini uyathi impilo le kahle ngokuthi thatha something kuze utokhona ukuthi uyakubona naleyo ibehavior la kade ayifunda ngekuthini uyayibona ngani ayisasiko kahle so kunengi lele kumele ukuthi sibadala sibantwana ngoba labanye abantwana lesibabonile lesike sahlala nabo phasi bafike hayi ngoba kusinqumo labasikhethayo ukuthi ngiyafuna mina lo munye abek-avoida ngoba ukuthi angifuni kungena ekubhemeni angifuni kungena kusebenzisa substances but i-heavy load la kabhekene nayo
ngisho heavy load
nakafika esikolweni nakhona ipressure imile yabo wagcina wathi bangani mosi ngibabona ngathi bakhona ukuthwala kanilula lo mthwalo sekunami lo munye angeniswe ukuthi kude le ngamtshela labangani bami laba impilo yabo ngibona ngazuthi ikahle angeke ngize ngisho mina ukuthi ekhaya kwenteka nabo ngoba bona nabafika abakhuluma bathi mom dad this that kukahle so umtshela abani so angibheme yabo angithatha something lokutokwehlisa lokule nguvako mina lengakhona ukucherisha nalomunye umuntu so kunengi lemithelela lebakhona kusukela sikubonele labanye aza kutshelela omunye ukuthi hayi into yalakhaya mkhulu beka abesidakwa mkhulu lesinjanje babe angikhulumi ngengababe uthi mina sengina njani yabo so sewuva ngazuthi lento kumele indluliselwe sort of lifa indluliselwa kusuka kumkhulu kuyakubani kuyale nakithi as if lokunatha noma lokusebenzisa leyo substance vele akana control over kona just because kwaqala emuva komkhulu nabo bani
uyathi ukuthi gogo ethokozana ukhuluma informal lengithinza kakhulu because ukhanza ukuthi lo munye so uyacala so uyanatha and then sesiyakhuluma sibadala awufutela baba wakho uyakubona kumlimathe even further uyakubona kwekuthi lo muntu lona khona letini vele wafuta lo mkhulu wakhe umshiyanga uyakubona yabona lamagama uyangithinza nje na ukhuluma indzaba yebatali because kanze ukuthi sometimes ufaka lenyeve embili nasotothi nje vele ufutelo yihlo yabona ukhuluma ngiyamuva and kuna le myth yokuthi thina sibanivana noma make noma baba angangikhulumisa kanjani I will just take it because I'm just a child what can you say as social workers kuloko yena kusuka ku substance abuse but ke mbukeli it's ngiletinye tinvo alama effects and other consequences that contribute kulenfo lena ukhanza ukuthi sesibantu sebaku drug abuse ukuthi utawukhuluma nje sinoma because I am a child kude info yathi kolongo ngumfana uyakubona ngifuna siyikhulumise from a social scientist perspective lokuthi such words athini kulomfana akhani kulomfana labanye ukhanza ukuthi vele lekhaya okay angiphiwanga hayi usilima lo vele watilo anibuke nje labo zero uyakubona so bashida Nkosi yami emaguests ami ukuthi dinengi leti sizathu lokunye sibatali iningive kahle batali I am not blaming or shift kanje ukuthi the things we say to the children sithi utawukhohlwa
ngeke
abakhohlwa what can you say Thokozani ngiyakubona ngathi uyacabanga
ngiyacabanga because lo ngenza ngicabanga kangako navamile ukuthi nami I remember the things nami my parents let me just say my mother used to say to me wena fanele babakho lesidawo ini you understand elento le namhlanje yabo sulo ngichawe make wathi kimi yabo ele memory vele izohlala ngiyabonga nje uNkulunkulu ukuthi hayi ngaba strong yabo but as a social scientist what you have observed as sisakhulumisa abantwana noma sisakhulumisa abadala vele once wakhuluma into le negative emntwaneni iyahlala yabo lento lena mayihlala kuyo lo mntwana iyamlimaza la ngqondweni yakhe yabo ukazi umntwana mawuthi uyambuka somntwana ongakahlahlambi kahle yabo says isolate kulabanye abantwana and then you find out yini inkinga lengaka wena each and every time awukhona ukudlala abanye abantwana what's wrong lo mntwana selikhona into le kanjani liyamlimaza emoyeni you understand and omunye umntwana ukhanza ukuthi soba quiet nje kuphela all the time so kucabanga yonke lento le yakhulunywa ngubani umntalo wakhe you understand and labanye abantwana ukhanza ukuthi even esikolweni abasakhona ukuthi baperform kahle yabo lama grades abo sekayehla sebanjani njani yabo and lokho vele ugcina lide ukuthi lo mntwana vele agcine angena kuma drugs because uba nako lokuthi you know what mina thema lami noma olodi lami alengithandi yabo ngeke phela umuntu okuzalako okutshila amagama lafana nabhlungu yabo mina the only comfort noma the only love that I would get is from the friends that I have and also from ungena kunanga ama drugs because navamsile one thing about ama drugs they show you love.
How so?
Hey, ama-drug they show you love. Awuthande lo umjolo uyahethana umjolo
they show you love.
Ama-drug they show you love yabona. Aku-welcome kahle. Wangena kiwo awuphumi kulikhulu nokuphuma. Kuba khona le comfort lo izwako lapha yakubona le feeling yabona ukuthi yabona uthando lolusha. Makuthiwa wena bathi uthando luvutha phela usavutha amalanga ngishayela lekuseni ngishayela mina hi baby good morning hi baby ngiyakuchecka ngishayela ama video call yakubona uthando lo ama drugs ke la but once waqala wangena kuloluthando bese kuyashuka angibambe lapho kwamanje
hayi thobe ngazodana enzabe le serious
ngishiye la
ngiyafuna lokuphenya
asakayiphenya
mina ngiphekwe idlalweni
mina ngiyamfuna lo show you love Dube hayi man Dube mani mina azongichazele lo show you love ngeva ukuthi kuyakulanza awumchaze lo show you love ukwende nje ema examples ukuthi show you love ngoba uyatibuta nje umbuzo kanjani show you love kanjani
ngigcine kwelanga sekuyangilada
yebo
okay le ngifuna ukusho navami nawe Google ukuthi nalokuthi mina mangumuntu angithi uyaqala ufunde crash wasulo hamba yabona yabo grade 1 grade 2 yakubona so lo imfundo le yakubona mos nawe ezuka grade 3 kwa grade 4 nawe le education nje nayo yakubuya wena buya grade 4 buya wena yaka grade 5 yakubona yabo lo thando buya wena yaka grade 6 wafika grade 7 yewena asiya high school wafika high school buya wena asiya university yakubona fale ama drugs uqala nje ubheme cishe ngani yabo uyoqala nje ukuthi asengitest la lugwayi yakubona ubheme nje stick solugwayi yakubona sithi stick lugwayi beyalana wena wami wena come here come duze baby come duze yakubona wathi khulekani wathi flirtatious by kokota
flirtatious
yakubona and now lento yakuheha lento yakubiza yabo nawe ubone the glamorous things lokungale yabo sothi yakungena mawungena lapha soqala nje ngibhema nje insango lencane wabhema lensango lencane uzongazi ukuthi lana kuyaphileka kumnanzi
Okay.
yabo insango phela iyakuyenga phela insango yabo tshela ukuthi hayi konke lokubona lana kukahle
Khazikhazi nje.
khazikhazi
Kunice.
kunice ungayile bayakuyenga labo lana kusekhaya kanjalo nje soyange ngicela ukuyishiya lapho futhi
Man, nyamazane man. Hey.
hayi
Kunama stage, hey, kunama stages la. Uthini ngama stages ku? Ngiyayive ayifakaza na ukuthi akhona.
Uyayizwa.
vele.
Akhona lama stages. Akhona angeke sikubalekele.
Okay.
Because ngiyakhumbula nje nami ngangibona babalo omncane.
Okay.
ziyakhala ngenyala hey babe lokuncane hey
Abhema uyabo. So ngiba ngabuka curious ngangimncane at the
okay.
age of 6, 7.
Okay.
Ngibonela nathi uhlashobela lapha. Nalendlela lapha ke mangayo bekungathi lento vele azathi uyayibona mos. So uvani lo muntu lana kulento le ngaleba leligwayi lakhe anyela
Nakushaya.
lesting ngasiba ngagijima ngayoshona ngale emva kwendlela yakhiwako yabo ngakulayida ngathi ngaye ngimbone la ngakhwehlela into le kungaye emuva yabona lento le bese ke so uyabuka umntwana lo tawuthi analeyo curiosity
Yeah.
le njengale beyiphethe mina uyakubona
Okay.
asuke athole umuntu lo tomfundisa
Okay.
mina ngaya ngedwa ngavela ngabona ukuthi kufa
Uzayi.
lento
Yeah.
awucishe
Yeah.
ngafa ngakhohlwa
Eh, waba nenhlanhla,
uyabona
yeah,
lo so sesibuka ke i-scenario yomntwana lo tawuthola umuntu lo tomfundisa
Yeah.
into le.
Ngoba
Athi, "Hayi
bakhona.
wena uyidonsa kanje le
Mm.
uyithi lento athi mani thulisa ke lalela ke kwentekayo
Kunyake.
Kuma from experience hayi gogo hey hayi
nawe soyalalela soyayiva lento
Okay.
kuba ukuthi hayi mani sewenda njani ufuna more anti stage 1 somthetho
Okay.
sewufuna more
Okay.
hayi mani aseni kuya ngekuya uve ngathi lokhu sokujwayela
exactly yeah
yini lenye curiosity
Okay.
yini lenye lengathi exciting ngetulu kwaloko
Okay.
anti bekustiki lesi
Okay.
yeah
so yeva ukuthi hayi sengivile stiki
So ufuna lokungathi
kunye ke kona
Okay.
sewuyabudabuda nalakubanga lokho kunye kwenta njani
Exactly.
kona kuvakala njengalestikini
Yeah.
bathi hayi
Yeah.
better.
ukushaya lokwayo
Yeah.
Okay.
uyakhula ke so yabo so uhamba lo wayela
yeah
Ungena
man
yaya.
isashisa maybe lokusebenzisa le terminology mhlawumbe lo muntu omusha lezo understand
Okay.
ufuna ungede lokusho
Okay.
yabo
Okay.
kulama stages la usho uthi ke gugu uzoqala ngale stick yabo siyabhekisa nje ubheme nje le stick ube like hayi man akuhelo umuthi hayi no there's more
Yeah.
than the stick so ngifuna ukubekisa nje ngensango lensango akusikuthi insango yinye kuphela
Yeah.
lensango iyahluka
Oh,
hlukana
ihlukene. Okay.
ungaqala angakubhemisa nje nangu-test nje bhema nayiswazi
Okay.
iswazi is the lowest grade
Okay.
uyibheme leswazi uzongazi ukuthi hayi man,
Ayingishayi kahle.
ayenzi
man.
kahle
Okay.
athi lo munye hayi khululeka asiye lapha kamalume Mtho vamise ukuphatha icross
Okay.
so lo yinsango
Stage futhi lesinye leso.
sengesinye stage ke
Okay.
ufikele kumtho ubheme le cross
Okay.
athi azithi hayi man hayi lena ngathi
Ayingishayi
Yeah.
kahle.
asisicheke nangu makenika ukhulekani lapha ngathi uphethe i-high cross so lo yile stage
stage
uye ku high cross
Okay.
ushaya high cross athi hayi man aseku high grade useku high grade uye ku purple
Wena sowati kangaka?
cha bani siya research
Okay. Okay.
researchile la
yakubona
Okay.
so lama stages uyogcina mawufika kulabo high grade so shabo purple zone
Okay.
mawufika kulabo purple zone ube like hayi man ulabo ugcina songena khona kubo estate ugcina sobhema bonyawo and mawuthi uyabuza kahle kahle ushaya research kahle kahle ngivamise ukuthi kunamaphara noma bonyawo pelejozi lo muntu mothi ona vamisile you know you sit down with the person umbuze lokuthi wena kuze ugcina ubhema inyawupe
Kwendeka la.
what happened
Yeah.
yabo lo muntu ukuthatha aqale phansi
Lendasi.
ngeke umuntu mana avuke nje namhlanje
So high grade.
so vele
so bhema inyawo uqala from scratch uqala la phansi so lo unuka le level uqala nje so lo
Okay.
kanje
I hope umbukeli uyayiva lenzaba. ngiva buhlungu lokuthi diningi letinfo letisele
Yeah, man.
Nkosi yami letidzinga ukukhulunyiswa such as the consequences because siyababona abantu la ngaphandle khona nje labanye sezaze sathi maphara uyabo diningi letinfo lesti experienceako angifuni ukukhuluma yami experience but ukhanzwa ukuthi nalandlini sekulahleka tinfo senihlala usendlini yakho but sowukhiye emakamero uyabo tonke titsha takho uyatithatha uyotibeka ekamereni because utawuthi ngekuphazima kweliso khanze bothapha wesebangekho sekude because they are trying to feed le ngiyafana mani Tyson yathi lenzaba ye-addiction ukuthi sifika kanjani sekuthiwa i-addiction because lendvo awuveli nje uthi uvuke kuseni so addicted say addiction what kwendekalani kahle kahle manje isikhathi sesiphelile mbukeli sesiphelile but I wish lo ukuthi siyikhulumise ukuthi and then nasekuthiwa uyi-addict kwendekalani family life individual community wise because before we are individuals sinemindeni kufika nje kubo divorce nibonile yini 50 per month people are divorcing they are hidden contributors niyakubona which of them ngwona la ma substance abuse so ngiyafisa lokho ukuthi siyikhulumise but asesiyipake here for now angathi ningathini Nkosi yami ma social scientist ami singaka wrap up nje sagocota but ke singaka wrap up don't forget phela to like to share and make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that mhlazana sibuya sitawuchubeka ngenzaba ye-addiction sibuke at length lenzaba ye-substance abuse because it doesn't only affect the individual, it affects children, families, divorces, parents break up, children are torn in between. Asengibanike kwekugcina Nkosi yami singaka wrap up.
Cha nami angibonge lelithuba for being part of this amazing show of the Blue Heart Podcast and also to disseminate information to the parents as well to the youth out there. Amnele ngakusho nje ukuthi indaba ema drugs nje ase drugs do kill. Mangabe usovele uqalile asophume nje ufuna usizo you can come to Natic. We offer a counseling for people who are abusing drugs. Noma ngabe uthi sokucabanga nje ukungena nomcabango lo nje umise kancane. Ngicabanga ukuthi we are going to join you also again for the next coming episode. Thank you so much. God bless you.
God bless them indeed.
Siyabonga kakhulu and thank you for the opportunity yekuba lana nje to share our experiences nekusharisha nje lwati mhlawumbe lesisicishe singathi sinalo. Lokumcoka kakhulu kucela lusito noma ufuna lusito akusiko kuba sehluleki. Akusiko futhi ukuthi mhlawumbe so undekendeke you are weak or but kukhomba ukuthi udithanda kangakanani. So nekucelela futhi umuntu loseceleni lusito kukhomba kulenhlitiyo yakho nekunaka. So asingayekelelani nako lengicela ukugcizelela asingayekelelani ma families singayekeleli abantu bethu asingayekelele ma spouses zethu bomzala bobanibani kulokunye lomunye ukule simo just because it's a cry for help.
Yes.
Udinga nje kusitwa mane akati lokuthi utakuvoice out kanjani. So kungumthwalo wethu noma kungumsebenzi wethu sonke lokho ukuthi lend a hand, lend a ear, lend a shoulder, sitawukhona kubambisana.
I love that. Lava langa ukuthi kumcoka nalokubambisana. Thank you so much my guests for sharing your experiences and your knowledge, and to our listeners, remember you are never alone. If you're struggling, we are always available to help and recovery is possible. Ungafuni kuyenda lendlela uhambe wedvana, but ask for help, and until then take care of yourselves, take care of one another. Let's continue to build healthy families, safe families. Until then, adios.